Actually, I'm not, but I'm just somebody who believes in the concept of love a lot. That at the right time, the right person will come and love finds everyone. So I just believe that it will find me too someday. That is why I keep fantasizing that concept that okay, when it does happen, I'll not be like, okay, I'll not be what shocked, or I'll not think that how is this happening to me. I might think that actually, क्योंकि फिर मेरे को लगेगा हो इतने टाइम बाद मेरे साथ कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन बट स्टिल एक होता है ना दैट आई विल नॉट बी कम्प्लीटली unfamiliar with that situation. That is not going to happen. Maybe I don't know. I am a reader. I read books. I do believe in love a lot. I believe in fantasy a lot. भाई लोग, मेरा स्केप प्लान है गायब हो जाना. दैट इज़ वॉट आई डू इफ़ आई गेट ट्रबल्ड सम हाउ, लाइक इन एनी वे. आई बिलीव इन घोस्टिंग एवरीबडी एंड जस्ट गोइंग MIA. दैट ओके, मैं शांत हो जाती हूँ, मैं पूरा दुनिया से मैं अलग हो जाती हूँ. जो ऐसे तो मैं इन जनरल रहती हूँ, बट उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा हो जाता है. इट इज़ वॉट इट इज़. समटाइम्स थिंग्स गेट टू मी. I'm such a fucking fool. I used to fantasize being an adult a lot. I used to think that it is such a great concept that they can do whatever they want and they have their own money and they are all free to do everything and anything that they want to do. And I used to think that elders are happy people and they don't have to study much. क्योंकि होता था ना 2-3 में हम लोग 12th क्लास के भैया दीदियों के बैग देखते थे, उनके बैग में कुछ होता नहीं था. तो मेरे को लगता था, मतलब मेरे को लगता है सबको ही लगता होगा कि दे डोंट स्टडी एंड शिट. और फिर कॉलेज के बच्चों को भी हम लोग देखते थे छोटे में, तो लगता था कि क्या ही है इनको, तो यूनिफॉर्म पहन के नहीं जाना. तो मतलब सच पिटी थिंग्स वी यूज टू एडमायर. एंड नाउ दैट आई एम फाइनली एन अडल्ट, आई फील लाइक कि यार मैं बचपन में ठीक थी. मतलब ठीक अच्छा था यार. I don't think that I am an influencer because they do a lot of mehnat yaar. They create content. I just am. I just do what I do. I don't know what I am. I think I just have a profile with a lot of followers. Yeah, that. But for that, if somebody is just approaching me to interact, why would I reject them? I'm a very polite person, so whenever somebody comes and talks to me, I do indulge with them. But the matter is, not many people come and interact with me at first because they think I'm a bitch because I have a resting bitch face mostly. So they think that I'll be mean towards them. So maybe that is a reason why people don't come and talk to me. But whatever, I won't reject for interaction. Obviously I will reject if they come and confess their love to me. But interaction is completely fine. I have no issues with that. Guys, मैं एक तो मल्टीपल थिंग्स एक साथ मैनेज कर रही हो, तुम लोग मेरे को उसमें कोस रहे हो. दैट इज़ वेरी मीन ऑफ यू. मैं पढ़ूँ नहीं अब, मतलब मैं पैसे ना कमाऊँ. Well, I am sleep deprived at this point. I have been up for I don't know how many nights. Yesterday I was up all night, then I slept. I've slept only for I guess a few hours today, and I'm just in very much need of a good sleep, at least of 36 hours. And life has been very bumpy these days. I don't know. I don't like it, but it is what it is. We'll have to deal with it. I have just been caught up with a few things, but make no mistakes, I'll be back. And yeah, I do teach good words to you all. You should be thankful to me. I'm not straightforward because I want to be straightforward. It's just that I can't sugarcoat my words. So whatever comes out is very much real and I very much mean it most of the times.
मैनू विदा करो, मैनू विदा करो जी, अब विदा करो मेरे यारा, मैनू विदा करो, मैनू
मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे ही इतने सफाई से बहुत सारी इनएप्रोप्रिएट बातें बोल के चली जाती हूँ ना, जिसकी वजह से लोग मेरे को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इधर नहीं करते, लेकिन ऐसे एज इन अगर गलती से कुछ हो गया तो मेरे को लोग कैंसिल कर देंगे। पता है शुरू में क्या होता है मेरे साथ, मेरे को लगता है मैं रेड फ्लैग हूँ और मेरे को लगता है सामने वाला तो बड़ा अच्छा है यार, ग्रीन फ्लैग है। एंड में अपोजिट हो जाता है, कहीं से मैं ग्रीन फ्लैग हो जाती हूँ, पूरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड शिट, पूरा मैं नाटक कर देती हूँ जो मेरे को करना नहीं चाहिए, और सामने वाला मेरे को पागल बना के चला जाता है। हैपेंस एवरी टाइम। I would say a lot. It changes a lot of the things, because what you feel like is happening just with you, or whatever you are going through. When you start reading now, you'll know that the things that you are going through right now, many people have gone through that like 100 and a bazillion times तुमसे पहले ही, and it just makes you see the world with a different perspective, that okay ऐसा भी होता है, यहाँ पे ऐसा भी होता है, and I feel that I have been a little more optimistic after reading books, because I feel like okay, no, मेरी किस्मत इतनी भी ख़राब नहीं है that I will not, मतलब yeah, I don't know. And then like every person ever, I would say this, that your standards like multiply with a huge boost, because men in books do crazy shit for their girls. No, English teachers use a lot of formal words. I don't. I just speak. Ghosting is my second language. I always ghost people, like always, every other day, even my friends. And they are okay with it. They know that I do that. I have a thing for ghosting. And like long-term ghosting, that I have not talked to that person ever again, I do that a lot, even with my very close friends, because they don't seem like, they don't seem healthy to me, and for me, then I just cut off. Because you can work only like, no, this is too much information. Not at all, bro. You can only have, like, if you are really very lucky, you can only have 1 or 2 good friends by your side who will stand with you. And I don't really trust any of my friends that much, because everybody, I do trust them, but it's like I trust them with a timeline, that I know that okay, after, like, you have certain groups for a given period of time, and you will be happy with them, but then it's like you have to move on with that also. There are only 1 or 2 max people in your life who are going to stay in your life as friends and are not going to disappoint you, and even they'll disappoint you a little bit. It's just about you have to adjust and just let that hurt go, if that makes sense. I don't know. Don't give me false hopes, यार. अब मैं imagine करने लगी Christian Harper. A guy like him, like, I wouldn't have mind if, like, Stella was upset because he had stalked her and he had files on her for, like, I don't know. But I wouldn't have mind. Honestly, I wouldn't have. Maybe I would have been a bit angry, but not a lot. Or I don't know, maybe I might have. But he is such a cute, I don't know. His character was nice. Like, nice. Alex fucked up big time, I would say. So that groveling was very much needed. But I don't know. You didn't necessarily had to say no jawline, That is very sweet of you to say. No, I've not showed them my reels, but my father and my mother, they both follow me on Instagram and they keep on liking my stories and my reels. So sometimes before posting I'm like, पर मेरे को लगता है छोड़ो मैं पोस्ट कर देती हूँ. Not only my father and my mother, but even my बड़े पापा and like everybody follows me on Instagram and everybody sees my reels. And even then I do stupid bullshit here. And my dad and my mom, they also check my fan pages का edits also and they like it. मतलब मेरे को मम्मा ने बहुत बारी दिखाया है. See. Okay, but let's be real. She was in fiction. So she went through that phase for a period of time and only for once. And then she just very conveniently, not conveniently, but she did got the love of her life. And then she had her happily ever after. Now that is not what is happening with us, is it? Is it? We are going through the same phase twice, thrice. Like, it's downright depressing at this point. I don't even want to talk about it.